Hello students. In this moral science class, we'll learn about lesson number 8, I love my country. My dear students, this flag which is shown on your screen is our national flag. We all bow down our heads to this national flag of India. We live in a free India today. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the Britishers. Before that, for about 2 centuries, we were under the British rule. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the people of India fought against the British through non-violence and won freedom. In 1921, during the time of non-cooperation movement, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, a rally was moving through the streets of Banaras. People shouted aloud, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Mahatma Gandhi ki Jai. The slogan Vande Mataram is also pronounced as Bande Mataram, is a Sanskrit poem written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1870s. Non-cooperation movement. It was started by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1920 and ended till the year 1922. In 1921, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, a rally was moving through the streets of Banaras. The police came to the scene with their weapons. Those cruel men rushed towards the mob, beat some and arrested many. Even then, people were not afraid and they cried aloud, Vande Mataram. Then they saw a 15-year-old child loudly saying Vande Mataram and addressing the mob as Inqilab Zindabad. The police took him to the magistrate. The magistrate asked, What is your name? He replied, My name is Azad. In addition to Azad means free person. He again responded, Azad means free person. The magistrate did not understand the feelings of an Indian who longed for freedom. They decided to make him silent. They removed his dress and scourged him. Blood started oozing out from his body. Still he cried out, Azad. At last, he fell unconscious in the court. He was none other than Chandrasekhar Azad, who later became a very famous freedom fighter. Popularly known by his self-taken name Azad, means free. He was an Indian revolutionist. Another freedom fighter, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, but his original name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was an Indian lawyer and freedom fighter. When Mahatma Gandhi took the leadership of the freedom fight, my dear students, people got a new enthusiasm. His words enlightened the thoughts of the freedom fighters. He used weapons of non-violence and satyagraha to win freedom for India. Some of the other freedom fighters who fought for the independence of India are Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh. They are some of the leaders who underwent a lot of suffering and difficulties for their motherland, India. My dear students, please keep in mind we must love our motherland and consider all Indians as our brothers and sisters. I repeat it again, we must love our motherland and consider all Indians as our brothers and sisters. We should not have any sort of enmities within us. We must be friends with everyone and try to love each other. Then only we'll attain a higher platform in our lives. Then only we'll be able to make our country, make our nation, India, proud on us. Our parents, our family members, everyone will be proud on us. Feel proud to be an Indian. My dear students, we must feel very proud that we are Indians. We must be proud of the progress and achievements of our country. And we must be ready to make sacrifices for our country whenever needed. Jai Hind. Thank you very much for your precious time. Hope you must have understood this chapter very well.